Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a couple cards. Gratitude opens the door to all the good life has to offer. Be grateful often for what you have, and you will receive more to be grateful for. The future is whatever it will be. Ugh, annoying. Emotional time travel is so tempting, but you cannot influence the outcome with your worrying. You cannot pre-feel your feelings to inoculate yourself from future pain. Some things can only be handled by future you. Trust them to take care of it. Ease, may it be effortless. Ride the storm. Let chaos and turbulence cleanse your spirit. Purge, purify, and refine. Friendly chat. Call a friend for a chat. Schedule a time to have tea or go for a walk. We are social beings, even the most introverted of us. See if you can keep the conversation focused on what's working well in your life. If you need to vent about something, then set a timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, move on to another high vibe topic. It's a good reminder. I am receiving the good in life. I am loving and accepting of who I am. My mind is clear, and I am open to new ideas and possibilities. Notice your good qualities, progress, effort, and accomplishments. Praise yourself. Trust your intuition. Allow yourself to have more fun. Be your own cheerleader. Add more self-care to your routine. What changes do you want to make in your life right now? Where do you need work? What do you waste the most time on? Describe a hidden part of yourself. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.